Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to add SoundCloud to your Discord status. Let's begin. First, open your browser, alright, and go search for PreMiD download. Click on the official website, scroll down, and choose the browser you are using. So just wait for this advertisement, and then make sure to click on Skip, Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Let's wait for a few seconds for the installation to complete, and then it will show you to connect Discord. Click on Get Started, connect your Discord account, click on it, authorize, close, and then let's go back to PreMiD. Okay. Next, we just need to open SoundCloud, go to the official website, then I'm just going to play any song. I'm going to choose any copyright-free music. Okay. So we will go and manage PreMiD. Usually it will just pop up. Okay. Just click on dismiss, go to SoundCloud, and make sure everything in here is enabled. Okay. Now you can play this for a few seconds, and this will show up in your Discord status. Another way is to simply go to the Microsoft Store, left click on it. Then on the search bar, we just need to go look for SoundCloud. Okay. If you have SoundCloud, just simply click on it and then choose and click on Get or Download. So once you're done with that portion, click Close. Now we head back to Discord. Click on Discord, go over here, click on User Settings, scroll down, go to Registered Games, and here, click on Ads, and just simply look for Microsoft Store. And that's it. That's how you can easily connect SoundCloud to your Discord account. I hope you found this video very helpful.